You ever been to a workshop that actually takes your numbers and does an analysis on your company numbers? And when you arrive to the workshop, they have a plan for you to profit. This is what the Price for Profit workshop is all about. For everyone that has signed up, we submit them a form. They're filling out that form. They're sending us their actual numbers, and we're coming up with a plan for them to profit. So this is actually going to be a 4.5-hour workshop where we're going to dig deep in these numbers. And I'm already telling right now, by doing this analysis on these companies, that a lot of cleaning business owners are not profitable. This is going to be so much fun, and it's going to be an eye-opener for cleaning business owners all around the world. If you're interested in joining us for the Price for Profit workshop, make sure that you go on ahead and fill out the link down below. It's only $197. We actually could charge a lot more for this workshop, but right now the general tickets are $197. Okay, click that link, and November 7th, 2025, I will see you in the building, 11 o'clock. This is going to be in Atlanta, Georgia. We in College Park, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. If you're struggling with pricing right now in your cleaning business, this is the place you need to be. I'll see you November 7th at the Price for Profit workshop.
All right, so my biggest takeaway was knowing my numbers. Knowing my numbers so I know what direction I need to go in, so that I can make the profit that I deserve. So that was my biggest takeaway.
I love it. Scale of 1 to 10. Would you recommend anybody to come out to our
Absolutely. I wish it was more than a day. I wish I could spend the night and come back in the morning. But I can't.
Okay. My biggest takeaway was knowing what to do to get the business started from the beginning to the end, even with the basics, but to stay involved with tenacity, stay in touch so I can learn more as I go along my journey.
I love it. Scale of 1 to 10.
I give you a 20.
All right.
I get out of this a lot. My brain is hurting right now. But at the end of the day, I knew it was the right thing. I'm glad I caught the flight, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I did it the last minute because I knew I needed it, and I'm glad I came because I feel like I've been struggling with my numbers, and I felt like this right here brought a lot of attention to my numbers, that I need to really not lower my standards just to make clients happy or gain a client or gain a contract. I feel like definitely looking at my numbers, and if it makes sense, again, all money is not all good money, and I'm learning that really fast. And you know, professionally, I'm glad I'm here because I'm taking a lot of information home, and it's not even about the money, it's also community, like finding a community that actually cares. You know?
On a scale of 1 to 10, would you recommend the workshop?
Yes, 100%. 100%.
Encouragement, the motivation that I received while I was here, and working on my numbers. Got to start working on them numbers.
That's what, you know what, that's what everybody said on the last one. They said numbers, and more numbers.
There you go.
Listen, building a business is all about numbers.
That's right.
So, you got to know them numbers.
Yeah, and I really need that motivation.
All right, would you recommend the workshop?
Definitely.
All right. That's all I need. That's all I want to know.